foundation of our suffering, the reason we practice yoga, according to Patanjali, is because we suffer. The root of suffering, something he calls avidya, the opposite of wisdom, is the confusion between impermanence and timelessness. And what we learned from relativity is that time is not a fixed thing. It can be contracted, stretched, and it's relative. My time is not your time. Your time is not my time. Now, the concept of now is a local phenomenon. It doesn't exist throughout the whole universe. What is now is confined to a very small space, a space that we can never perceive of now because of the limitations of the body. The movement of time as we know it is different than how fundamental laws of physics perceive time. Fundamental laws of physics don't care if time is going forward or backward, with very few exceptions. But as we know time, it's an irreversible thing, always moving in one direction, not backwards, forward, moving with entropy. Is it time as we perceive it just a macroscopic phenomenon? Like we have macroscopic descriptions of the physical nature, which looks very different than quantum physics. Is time similar? Is time just an emergent property from subatomic interactions? Sort of the nutshell of the last month is that in the absence of relationships, in the absence of interactions, there is no reality. And one possible understanding of Descartes' axiom is the subatomic particles in me interact, therefore I am. That consciousness is just something arising from this, but without the interactions, none of it comes to play. And I'm kind of against using understandings based on fundamental physics to apply to macroscopic behavior, but I would say this concept is a nice analogy of the human experience, the relationships with others, with nature, with mind, with something is the basis for how we perceive reality.